over the years, people asked me, Ginger, why did you write the Come Here to God Workbook? Well, I didn't. I started with the 5-page pamphlet, and because when people came over to my house, I got tired of writing the same scriptures or homework, and they're very similar. So I decided to write a 5-page pamphlet so I can just type it out and staple it and hand it to them on their way out. I started that, but then it started growing, and it grew, and it grew, and it grew, and it grew, until, 13 months later, it was a workbook, hundreds of pages, and hundreds of scriptures, and dozens of topics of sins, and negative emotions and thoughts, and spiritual stuff. So it started with a 5-page pamphlet. I had no idea. The books I wanted to write was Sunday school kids curriculum and vacation Bible school and children's books. This was not in my agenda. And I'm so glad God did not tell me, because I would be really overwhelmed, a thick book. So that is how it started. I plan on having other books. But you never know, God may throw a curveball and I may be writing something else. Until next time.